Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones, my precious little shamrocks. Guys, it is ridiculously hard for some reason for me to do a voiceover today. As you can tell, I can't even speak. I don't know what's going on. Everything I've said has been just cringe, full cringe. Okay, I'm in full cringe mode today. That's all I can say. But today, while I sit over here cringing, we are going to do some St. Patrick's Day nails. And I am going to do my best to get through this voiceover because for some reason I can't seem to make it work. The three nails you see here are going to be this gorgeous khaki color. We are working with the LanFo polish. We did a swatch and giveaway for those last month. If you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and help us get to the next giveaway even quicker. I'm really excited about that. We're so close to 300. Guys, we are so close to 300. I'm so excited about this. And then once we get a few more friends, we are going to do another giveaway. Can't wait for that. So you are down there clicking buttons, click them all, leave me a comment, help get this video out to more people, because the more friends we have, the more stuff that YouTube lets us play with. Okay, so while we're clicking buttons, what I'm doing here is just doing that very trendy, swooshy, flowy, stripy goodness that's going around, and it's been very trendy, I don't know, since the pandemic, right? This the swirly stripy look, it's been, I think it's probably coming close to the end of its heyday. But as I was deciding what to do with this set, I knew I wanted to keep it very elegant and very pretty and sexy. But I wasn't sure this was what I was going to do, but I had this vision of just like a flowy Irish river going through the green countryside. And this is sort of what my brush did. So there you go. And I really did have the idea to add the red. You can see I've got it down there on the palette. But no, once I set it on there, I was just like, no, I don't love this. It's not giving me the same vibe. I'm not feeling it. And so I just really leaned hard into the green and the gold. So we're just going to make these swooshy lines across the nail and I had a great time making this, especially once I start adding the gold. And at first I thought I would keep the gold really thin, but it was wrong. I didn't like it. And the more I looked at it, I wanted more of the gold. So that's what we ended up doing in the end. And don't forget, your cleanup brush is your best friend, making you do it again and again. 'Cause you can just clean it up. Boop-a-doop, boop-a-doop, boop-boo. Wow. Okay, that came out of nowhere. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna leave it. I almost decided to stop the voiceover and cut that out. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna let you have it. So now we're coming in with the gold, and while we do that, let me ask, where are my gamer girls at? If you're a gamer guy, that's fine too. That's fine too. But I'm looking for my gamer girls, and let me ask you, what are you playing right now? I, for the longest time, was just playing single player games like Resident Evil and Tomb Raider and stuff. I was not doing the multiplayer stuff. Although World of Warcraft is 100% one of my favorite games. I did recently get back into it in the last 6 weeks or so, and I have to say I'm really having a good time. I've been looking for a guild, but I've not found one. I don't know if the guild system is broken or not, but I can't get anyone to accept me. So I might just make my own, but let me know in the comment section what are you playing? And I'm not one of those elitist gamers. If you're playing Candy Crush and you play it regularly, you're a gamer. If you go all the way up to Fortnite and you play it all the time, you're a gamer. If you only play once in a while, you're a gamer. You don't have, I don't think that you have to exist at a certain level to be considered a gamer. So let me know what you're playing in the comment section. Tell me what you love about it. Maybe you can introduce me to a new game I've not played before. But right now I really am enjoying the World of Warcraft thing, and apparently next month they're going to announce the new expansion. I've not jumped in on the current one. I'm just playing the one from before, the Battle of Azeroth. And if you're not into World of Warcraft, I'm sorry that I'm totally speaking another language to you. So let's get back to the nails. I've got a little bit of a puff there, so we're going to take that off. A little puff ball. Sorry, my voice got all of a sudden a little creaky. Let me have a drink. That was some water. Okay, now you can see I'm cleaning up with this brush, but that's unnecessary because, like I said, I really did think I was going to keep the gold very thin, but I am 100% going to change my mind on that decision. It just didn't seem oomphy enough, right? I wanted more of that gold, and the way that it shines in the light. I wish it was a sunshiny day. It's very overcast, so it's not picking up. But when I had them in the sunshine earlier this morning, they were really glinty and pretty, and I wanted to give you a picture of that. And I should have taken it at that time, but I didn't. So big miss on my part. Sorry about that. But the sky has gone completely white, and there's no sun shining at all anymore, which is really a bummer because I kind of want to go outside this afternoon and chill out with my dog for a while. But it's looking like it's going to get chilly, and I don't love that. Okay, so that pinky nail, I did decide to just go the full gold with that. I just thought, why not? It looks real pretty, and it sort of bookends the other nails with the green on the other one. And now we are taking these water decals and just putting them on the green thumbnail, and I think they look really cute. And I know it's a little difficult to see them in this light, but the reveal shots have a real pretty picture of them, so be sure that you stay all the way to the end so you can see that. And here we go. This is where I just decided to go for it, and really I figured if I don't like it, at this point I can just take it off. Everything else is cured, and just keep what I have. But as soon as I started to widen that stripe from the gold, I was pleased. As the second it started to widen out, I knew I was on the right track, and I just went for it until my heart said, yes, I love that. Okay guys, before we finish up this set, while I'm doing all of the widening of this gold here, I want to take a moment and just encourage everyone to widen their hearts and their consciousness right now. I know everything feels crazy right now. We're not even out of a pandemic, and now we've got all of this other stuff going on. And it's really easy to buy into all of the fear and hate that is being encouraged right now. And I just want to say, don't take the bait. Keep your hearts open. Keep your minds clear. Think for yourselves. Do not allow anyone to steer you down a road that seems manipulative or wrong. It's so hard for me to know exactly what to say, because how do you even know what to think? But love, understanding, compassion, those are the roads that will lead us out of the dark times that we are in. And I want to, with my platform, as small as it is, you guys rock. You are the best group on YouTube. And if anyone can keep their heads calm and clear and their hearts open and full of compassion, I know it's you guys. So I'm just going to encourage that in you, and because that spreads. When you do that, you spread that to other people, and then they can spread it to other people. So live the example that you want to be. Just open your hearts and your minds. I know that as a species, as a human species, we can come out of anything that we need to. There's way more important things to deal with right now than all of what's going on right now. So we need to figure out a way to add compassion and love. That's all I'm going to say about that. Okay, so we're at the top coat time, and I know it's tough to see the gold on the green nail there, but the reveal shots really do have a much nicer vision of that, so definitely stick around for those. They are coming right up, but this is the finished set. Guys, I love these. I think they're perfect for St. Pat's or for just anyone who loves that trendy look of the flowy lines, of the flowy stripes. I absolutely love this look. Thank you everyone for coming by and spending a little bit of time with me today for the St. Patrick's Day edition of the show. Don't forget to come back on Wednesday because things are going to get a little cuter, and we're still going to stay with the St. Patrick's Day theme. Until then, we will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.